Hi, I'm Lidjia. Ramadan Kareem. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Zaatar Crusted Beef Carpaccio that I'm going to serve with a beautiful wild thyme salad and pomegranate dressing. Perfect for your iftar, not exactly a traditional Ramadan dish, but amazing just the same.
I'm using the best quality Australian beef tenderloin I could get my hands on. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. So first, let the tenderloin sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. Season with a little salt and pepper. Not too much, the zaatar already has a lot of flavor. Massage in your olive oil and coat generously with your zaatar.
Smells amazing. Now I know that zaatar varies in the mixture from region to region. Today I'm using Lebanese zaatar. It was given to me from a very good friend of mine.
Put a little oil into your pan over high heat. Add the tenderloin. Sear the meat for about a minute on each side. Careful, you don't want to overcook this. Once done, wrap the meat in plastic wrap and place in the freezer until almost frozen for about an hour. For the salad, mix together wild thyme, red onion, and olives. Make your vinaigrette by whisking together your pomegranate molasses, olive oil, lemon, and garlic. Pour most of the dressing over the salad and salt to season. Keep a little bit of dressing just to serve on top of your meat. Freezing makes it much easier to cut the meat into thin, even slices. So when you're ready to serve, cut through the meat and place it in between two pieces of parchment paper. Now for the fun part. Pound the meat evenly using a chef's mallet or rolling pin. Honestly, it's the best stress reliever ever. Place your meat and salad over a chilled plate or a serving platter and serve right away.
Isn't this amazing that you can make this beautiful restaurant quality dish at home using this fantastic quality Australian meat? And on the side, looks so good. Amazing.
Look at that meat. It's rare and delicious and perfectly crusted with that zaatar. It looks so good. I can't wait to take a bite. Sartén.